Did you know the orange peel you usually toss away is packed with skin-loving compounds? It's easy to overlook, but this humble outer layer is actually a treasure trove of nutrients and natural oils that your skin craves. While most of us focus on the juicy fruit inside, the peel is quietly holding on to some of the most potent benefits. Most of us never think twice about discarding the rind, but it's actually richer in beneficial chemicals than the fruit itself. In fact, orange peel contains higher concentrations of vitamin C, antioxidants, and essential oils than the pulp we eat. These compounds can help brighten skin, fight free radicals, and even support a healthy glow. For centuries, cultures worldwide have used orange peel in cooking, medicine, and even beauty routines. From ancient Chinese herbalists to Mediterranean kitchens, orange peel has been prized for its healing and aromatic properties. It's been brewed into teas, infused into oils, and ground into powders for face masks and scrubs. Now, as we seek natural, sustainable skincare, orange peel is making a comeback, especially for those curious about minimizing pores. With more people turning away from harsh chemicals, the gentle power of orange peel is being rediscovered. It's not just a trend, it's a return to nature's wisdom. The beauty industry is obsessed with pore-perfecting products, but could a simple, natural ingredient like orange peel really help? As brands race to bottle the next miracle serum, some of the best solutions might already be in your kitchen. Orange peel's natural acids and oils can gently exfoliate and refresh your skin. Before we dive into recipes and science, let's keep an open mind. Natural remedies can be powerful, but they're not miracle cures. It's important to understand how these ingredients work and what results you can realistically expect. With the right approach, orange peel can be a valuable addition to your routine. Our goal: explore what's inside orange peel and see if it truly deserves a spot in your skincare routine. We'll look at the science, the traditions, and some easy ways to try it for yourself at home. So, let's peel back the layers and find out if your next snack could double as your next beauty treatment. You might be surprised at just how much potential is hiding in your fruit bowl, waiting to be discovered. To see if orange peel can help with your skin, we first need to take a closer look at what pores actually are and why they matter. Pores are tiny, almost invisible openings on the surface of your skin. They're everywhere, on your face, arms, and even your scalp. Some pores are connected to sweat glands, helping your body cool down, while others are linked to oil glands that release sebum, a natural oil that keeps your skin soft and protected from dryness. Pores aren't imperfections. They're a vital part of your skin's health, working hard behind the scenes to keep your skin balanced and functioning. The size and visibility of your pores are mostly determined by genetics and age. As we get older, our skin loses elasticity, which can make pores look larger. No matter what you do, you can't actually get rid of your pores, and you wouldn't want to. They help your skin breathe, release toxins, and stay moisturized. When people talk about large pores, they're usually referring to pores that have become clogged or stretched out by excess oil, dead skin cells, or dirt. The real goal isn't to erase pores, but to keep them clean, clear, and less noticeable by preventing buildup and supporting your skin's natural processes. When your pores are clean and unclogged, they appear smaller, and your skin looks healthier and more radiant. That's why most skincare products focus on cleansing, exfoliating, and tightening the skin, rather than trying to eliminate pores altogether. It's important to remember, healthy, beautiful skin always has pores. They're a sign that your skin is alive and functioning as it should. The key is to support your skin's natural function, not to chase an unrealistic, poreless look that simply isn't possible or healthy. Now that we understand the real role of pores, let's explore how orange peel might help you care for your skin and keep those pores looking their best. Why are we obsessed with smaller pores? Media and advertising bombard us with images of flawless, poreless skin, setting unrealistic standards. This makes us self-conscious and eager for solutions. Large, clogged pores are often linked to oily skin and acne, so we equate smaller pores with health. The beauty industry profits from this, selling endless pore-minimizing products. Many of these only offer temporary fixes like filling pores with silicone. Turning to natural options like orange peel feels empowering, simple, affordable, and rooted in tradition. It's a way to take control of your routine and embrace a more holistic approach to beauty. So, what makes orange peel special for your skin? The peel is loaded with essential oils, giving it that fresh scent and potential antimicrobial benefits. When dried and ground, it becomes a gentle exfoliant, perfect for sloughing off dead skin and keeping pores clear. Orange peel also acts as a mild astringent, temporarily tightening skin and reducing oiliness. This combination, aromatic oils, gentle exfoliation, and astringency, makes orange peel a unique, multitasking skincare ingredient. Unlike harsh commercial scrubs, it's a natural, eco-friendly alternative. It can cleanse, exfoliate, and tighten, all in one. Not bad for something most of us throw away. Let's look closer at what's inside this citrus powerhouse. Orange peel is a cocktail of skin-friendly compounds. It's richer in vitamin C than the fruit itself, an antioxidant that helps protect skin and support collagen. Flavonoids like hesperidin offer anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits, calming skin and reducing irritation. Natural AHAs, such as citric acid, gently exfoliate by loosening dead skin cells, revealing smoother skin beneath. These acids help prevent clogged pores and promote cell turnover. The essential oil D-limonene gives oranges their scent and has cleansing, antimicrobial properties. Together, these compounds can help keep skin clean, calm, and less prone to clogged pores. While commercial products use synthetic versions, orange peel offers a natural, milder source. It's a synergy of antioxidants, exfoliants, and oils, all in one peel. But how do you actually use it at home? Let's get practical. Here's how to harness orange peel for your skin. Making orange peel skincare at home is not only easy and cost-effective, but it also lets you control exactly what goes onto your skin. With just a few simple steps, you can create natural, chemical-free products that are gentle and nourishing. Start with organic oranges. Wash them thoroughly to remove any residues. Then dry and air dry the peels until they become brittle and snap easily. This ensures you're getting the purest, most potent ingredients for your skincare. Once the peels are completely dry, grind them into a fine powder using a blender or spice grinder. Store this fragrant, vitamin-rich powder in an airtight jar to keep it fresh and ready for use whenever you need it. For a brightening face mask, mix a tablespoon of orange peel powder with water for a simple mask, or add yogurt for extra moisture and soothing properties. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, try rose water for its balancing effect. Apply the mask evenly to clean skin, avoiding the delicate eye area. Let it sit for about 15 minutes, allowing the natural enzymes and vitamin C to work their magic. Then rinse off with lukewarm water. For a gentle exfoliating scrub, blend the orange powder with honey and a splash of water. Massage onto your face in small circular motions to slough away dead skin cells, then rinse thoroughly. Honey not only adds moisture but also brings natural antibacterial benefits, making your scrub both hydrating and cleansing. To make a refreshing toner, steep fresh orange peels in hot water for several minutes. Once cooled, strain the liquid and pour it into a clean bottle. Store it in the fridge for a cool, invigorating mist. Use this homemade toner as a facial mist throughout the day, or apply it with a cotton pad after cleansing to help tighten pores and refresh your skin. Always avoid the sensitive eye area, and remember, gentle application is key. Never scrub too hard, as your skin deserves a soft touch. Since these are fresh, preservative-free products, be sure to use them within a week and always store them in the refrigerator to maintain their potency and safety. These simple recipes let you experience the benefits of orange peel without breaking the bank, and you'll know exactly what's in every product you use. As with any new skincare, remember to patch test first on a small area of skin to check for any sensitivity or allergic reaction. Now, what does science say about all this? Let's find out what research reveals about the real benefits of orange peel in skincare. What does research say about orange peel for skin? Lab studies confirm its compounds, vitamin C, flavonoids, citric acid, and D-limonene, have antioxidant, antimicrobial, and exfoliating effects. But there's a gap: few clinical trials test homemade orange peel masks on real people. Most evidence is based on the known benefits of these ingredients or traditional use. Dermatologists agree orange peel contains helpful compounds, but concentrations in DIY recipes are unpredictable. So, orange peel may offer mild exfoliation and temporary tightening, but don't expect dramatic or permanent pore changes. Think of it as a gentle, supplementary treatment, not a miracle cure. Natural doesn't always mean safe. Orange peel's oils and acids can irritate sensitive skin or trigger allergies. Always patch test on a small area before using on your face. Watch for redness, itching, or burning. If you react, don't use it. Citrus peels can also make skin more sensitive to sunlight, so use treatments at night and wear sunscreen during the day. Over-exfoliating can damage your skin barrier, causing dryness and irritation. Be gentle. Less is more. Listen to your skin and stop if you notice discomfort. Treat homemade remedies with the same caution as store-bought products. Your skin's health comes first. Now, let's wrap up with some final thoughts. Orange peel is packed with skin-friendly compounds and offers a natural, sustainable way to care for your skin. It's not a miracle fix, but it can gently exfoliate, cleanse, and temporarily tighten pores. Use it as a supportive step in your routine, not a cure-all. Always patch test, watch for sensitivities, and consult a dermatologist if you have concerns. The best skincare is informed and mindful. Know what you're using and why. Embrace the blend of tradition and science as you explore new routines. If you found this helpful, stay tuned for more evidence-based wellness tips. Your journey to healthy skin is ongoing, and we're here to help guide you.